welcome to Khetz tutorials, and in this video I'll be doing question 41 from 1.3 exercises in James Stewart calculus. To ask to find f of g of h, I'm going to start with g of h. So g is x squared. I'm going to substitute h into that. So where I see an x, I'm going to substitute all of h. So h is x cubed plus 2. Then don't forget to square because g of x is x squared. Then I'm going to substitute this into f. F is square root of x minus 3. So where there's an x, I'm going to substitute this g of h. So I'm going to have the square root, then that is g of h in the place of x. Then I just have the 3 over there. This is f of g of h. And what you can do at this point is you can now expand this. This would be x to the power 6 plus 4x cubed, and finally plus 4 and minus 3. Then the result of this would then be the square root of x to the power 6 plus 4x cubed plus 1. So that would be your f of g of h.